Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open a Ford Mustang with a key. Insert the key into the driver door lock, push gently, and turn clockwise to unlock the door, then pull the handle to open. If the lock feels stuck, wiggle the key slightly while applying steady pressure. For models with valet locks, check the small secondary slot near the door handle. Always store spare keys securely. Understanding lock types helps you approach the Mustang safely. Most older Mustangs use a standard wafer or pin cylinder, while newer models often have electronic locks. Always check for valet or passenger side disable features before attempting manual entry. Keep the key and wrist steady to avoid breaking the key. If you own a leather key fob, avoid sharp motions that stress the plastic housing and electronics. Practice these steps in a safe location, away from traffic. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please hit subscribe and like to support the channel. On another note, the O'Ala water bottle keeps you hydrated during roadside checks and long drives. Its leak-proof lid and long-lasting insulation make it ideal for car tasks. Check the description for the link and other deals I mentioned. I appreciate your support. Thanks for watching, and now let's get back to the video. Troubleshooting a stuck Ford Mustang lock requires patience and light force. Start by spraying a small amount of lock lubricant into the keyway, then insert and gently work the key back and forth. Avoid forcing the key hard to prevent snap-offs. If the key bends or feels soft, stop and seek professional help. Carry a backup key and consider replacing worn tumblers to prevent repeat issues. Regular maintenance and inspection reduce surprises on cold or wet days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.